Hello, third grade, and welcome to our reading skill today. We will have two parts. One of the parts is on Study Island, and our other part is on Class Kick for this part. Now, we looked at point of view and perspective, and point of view is who is telling the story, and perspective is how they are telling the story. How do they think and feel about the topic, or what is their opinion? Now, for these next couple, you will be doing them on your own. And you will be pointing out what is the point of view. We looked at two points of view. First person, which is from the character's point of view, from one character's point of view, and third person, which is from the narrator or author's point of view. So for your point of view, you're going to look for some of those keywords. If it is from a character, you'll see the words I, me, us. And if it is the narrator's point of view, then you will see the characters' names. So I can already skim through, which means reading through quickly to see if I see any of those keywords, and I do see some of those. Now for perspective, you're telling me how they think and feel. Now in this story, a daughter is leaving for college. So how does she feel about leaving for college? Is she happy to leave? Is she sad to leave? Is she scared to leave? So what is her perspective on leaving for college? The second one, you'll read through the paragraph, look for those key words. Is it first person or third person? And how do they feel about the situation? And the last one, same thing, you'll read through the passage, look for those key words. First person or third person, and then how do they think and feel about the situation? This is all about leaving for college. So how is it different? And then how do the different perspectives affect how each story is told? When we are answering a written response, we always use cups, cross out the question words. Use the rest in the sentence. The different perspectives affect how each story is told because, and then give evidence on how they are different. You may go ahead and begin and read the 3 points of view and perspectives on this story.